Hello everybody, I'm Kamal Khan. Nowadays Karachi is the most polluted city around the world. Why is a polluted city? Let's watch this report.
Karachi is the economic hub of the Pakistan and the largest city in the country and of the 12th largest city in the world. About 15 million inhabitants live within the city limits. A major part of the Pakistan economic depend on Karachi. Currently, Karachi is polluted by industrial and domestic waste. On the other hand, the misfortune of the Karachi is that the Chinese company is taking up the responsibility disposing the waste. Of the Karachi, while in the company is a guilty criminal negligence and the sitting intentionally it fired instead of the disposing of the while has been that the waste of the full of plastic bag. The burning which is the produce of the dangerous gases which is the very dangerous from human health.